Are you an artist struggling to color in digital platforms like Ibis Paint? So this is the right video for you. Let's go. Open Chrome or any other browser that you have and search for the coloring pages of the character that you need. For example, I would be searching for the coloring pages of Goku. Now, choose the image that is suitable for you and go to it. Then, long press to download the picture. Open up your Ibis Paint X. Now, go to My Gallery and click on the plus icon. Import the picture that you have downloaded just now from Chrome. Now select it and now you are good to go. Now go to the layers option after doing all this stuff and then choose the blending mode. Then click on linear burn. And now we will start the coloring on the next layer. Make a new layer and put it below the first layer. And now choose the color that you want and start to fill in with the brush tool like this. I will meet you after I am done with the coloring. Now I will do the same with the hair. Go slowly, don't be too fast. Same with the eyes. I repeat, don't go too fast. Now all the coloring's done. Now I will show you how to do the shading. Select the magic wand tool and select the area in which you want to do the shading. Select all the areas in which you want to do the shading. After that, go to the pen tool and choose the color that you want. Now after that, you can go on with the shading like this. If this video helped you, please subscribe and leave a like to the video. Comments are welcome too. Thank you.